highlight. So you see, we're back at it again with another one. Today we're fixing it up. Time to shut them up a little bit. But we're going to put a pipe on here, muffler. We're going to install a brand new one. Replace a new pipe, muffler all the way back out of it. We're going to quiet it up today. And I'm going to demonstrate a cold start, how it sound, the difference, and then when I put the pipe on, the difference, how it sound. Not too bad, not too loud. Had a normal idle. So that's how it sounded without the pipe, and we'll be back to see how it sounds with the new one installed.
So what are you doing?
Go ahead, put the new pipe,
Taking
the
out
whole
the
exhaust
plastic?
system on there.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you put this in. Don't scratch the chrome. But pretty much, it's missing the shield right here. Kind of broke off on these parts, so we're gonna replace all that nice and new.
Nice.
Off the bat with the red tip to match the black and red.
Nice.
We're gonna be putting a new front tire on here. That's the next thing. But otherwise than that, talk to me. So now that the pipe is off, installing a new one. Gaskets and everything ready to go. Fully installed. Now for the startup. Let's see how it sounds now. Might be out of tune. Low thumb to it.
I'm talking about.
But it's another one gone. Another satisfied customer, man.
Thank you, bro.
Officially Paulo gone, but we're gonna ride again, right?
Oh, yeah.
Come meet me at the lot. You see it. It's mandatory. Gonna cut him off. And it's officially sold.
Sold.
And it's gone. Let me hear you say you see it.
You see it.
Oh,
Mine
yeah.
now, baby.
Yeah. Well, like I said, it's another satisfied customer. One too many. Custom Stunto Fox Christmas edition. You better get your bikes for y'all gone. He's rolling. Oh, you see it?
You see it. Let me get a you see it from you.
Say that?
You see it.
You see it.
Uh-huh.
All right.